Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. This is a 2011 Ford F-150. Going to show you how to replace the lock switch on your driver's side. Use a nice big 90-degree pick, work it right in and then underneath, and then you want to pull straight up. And same thing, it looks like this has been apart before, so it comes apart pretty easy, but you would want to work this in and pull straight up to release the front clip. Okay, the lock switch, there's a tab on the front side. Push on that tab, disconnect, and then small flat blade screwdriver, push on the switch here and pry between the bezel and the switch while you're pushing. Sometimes it helps to just make sure that there's nothing sticking on the switch. And once you unlock them, the switch comes out. New lock switch, put it up into place. Make sure that the bottom is towards the large part of the bezel. Push it up until it locks. Hopefully these clips stayed with your bezel. If they didn't, you can push, you can see the clip is still sitting right there, and push it down through and pull it out, and then just put it back onto the bezel. Let me install my other clip here. And then put it down into place and push it down in. Passenger side lock switch. There's a tab right here. Disconnect. And then I push it with my thumb on this side while I pry between the gray housing, or maybe it's a brown housing. Push down while you're push with your thumb while you're prying there. Switch starts to move. Pry the other two tabs. You only want to pry enough to get it going. Be careful not to break your bezel. And the switch comes out. All right, new lock switch. Make sure the bottom is towards the larger end of the bezel and push it up into place. Make sure it clicks. Push down on it, make sure it's in place. Reconnect your harness. Make sure that the clips are in place on the housing. If they're still in the door, you can push them down through, and then just make sure you grab them from the bottom, put them back onto the bezel, and push the bezel down into place.
Thanks for watching. Visit 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts shipped to your door, the place for DIY auto repair. And if you enjoyed this video, please click the subscribe button.